Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to import tasks from CSV files into Zoho Project, updated for 2025. The first step is to prepare your CSV file with the task details. Make sure your file has columns for task name, start date, end date, and status. Preparing your file properly makes the import process smoother because Zoho Project can map these details to create your tasks directly. Now that we've done that, head over to your Zoho project. Click on the Tasks and Milestones tab on your project's dashboard. The reason we do this is because this is where you'll find the option to import tasks. Next up, look for the Import Tasks button, typically found at the top right-hand corner. Clicking this button will open up a new window for you to upload your CSV file. Then, click on the Choose File button to locate and select your CSV file. The system will upload your file and take you to the mapping page. This is critical because Zoho Project needs to know which columns in your CSV file correspond to the task fields in the system. On the mapping page, you'll see your CSV file columns on one side and Zoho Project's task fields on the other. Make sure each of your CSV columns is matched with the correct task field. This helps us because accurate mapping ensures that your tasks are imported accurately into Zoho Project. If anything is mismatched, your tasks might end up with incorrect or missing details. Once you've confirmed the mapping, click Import. Your tasks will now be imported into Zoho Project. Let me explain why this matters. By importing tasks, you save time and effort compared to manually creating each task. To wrap things up, importing tasks from CSV files into Zoho Project is a straightforward process that involves preparing your CSV file, navigating to the Tasks and Milestones tab, uploading your file, mapping your CSV columns to task fields, and finally, clicking Import. Thanks for joining us today. Now you're all set to streamline your project management with Zoho Project. Until our next tutorial, happy task managing!